Yes, it's from Sophie. Do you want to open your gift?
Wait, Mom.
That's yours right there.
Mom, I have another gift. What? Open
To
it.
Sophie? I mean, to Wyatt from Sophie.
Mom,
Can you open it?
I can't.
Try.
Can I help?
No, you cannot help.
I just rip it. Hey, mine. Don't worry about it. It's mine.
Cassie, let go. He asked you not to worry about it. Would you like me to get him out of the box?
Mom.
Hold on.